Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading, the bonus reading for January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will definitely appreciate that. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Taurus, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection, the bonus reading for January 2021. Let's see what is the energy for you here, Taurus. Also, Taurus, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If the message does not resonate with you, Taurus, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if the message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing that, you will be eligible for winning the free giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into the channel message coming up from your person. Okay, so on this side here, Taurus, will be your energy, and on this side here will be your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign for you here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. And then I've also gotten a very strong Earth energy here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. And then I'm getting a very strong Leo energy coming up here as well. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. So let's look at into your energy here, Taurus. I've got the Fool. I've also got the Five of Pentacles and the King of Cups coming up here. And then the overall energy that I've got for you, I've got the Page of Cups. So the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Taurus, is that there is a significant age gap between you and your person. If not a significant age gap, this is also an indication of a very strong immaturity energy coming up between you and your person, I would say here, especially with this King of Cups energy and the Page of Cups energy coming up here very, very strongly. It's like some of you here is coming up more mature when it comes into your when it comes into emotional maturity. You are coming up like a little bit of higher, like more mature than your person, I would say here. Your person coming up here as a little bit of childish, as well as someone like a social butterfly, I would say here, like like someone's actually really, really friendly and like can just flirt and talk to other people. So that kind of energy is coming up here very, very strongly. I do feel here, Leo, this could also be another reason why both of you gotten into a separation in the first place. Like your person just likes to flirt with other people, like that kind of energy is what I'm getting here. Now this is going to be a good energy coming up for you here, Taurus, because with this full energy you are about to take the leap of faith. I feel like this separation between you and your person has been affecting you severely, I would say here. I do feel like some of you here really got into a depression mode, I would say here, Taurus. Like you just like don't know what to do. You have been trying to reach out towards your person, and then your person could be coming up as someone who is harsh with their communication, like being really, really harsh with you here, I would say here, Taurus, and then you're like ghosting you, cutting you out. So all this energy is just making you feeling sad, making you feeling depressed. And I do feel like it's like you just feel like the whole world is against you, I would say here, Taurus. Like you just feel like as if you have no hope left, I would say here, like a very strong hopeless energy and feeling alone, I would say here, coming up very, very strongly for you here, Taurus. And this is why I've got the full energy coming up for you. This is like basically taking that leap of it. I do feel like you are ready to just get out of this depression, to just get out of this anxiety and all this, like this negative energy surrounding you, I would say. Like all this time you're just like being really, really hopeless. And I do feel like at this point of time you're starting to realize that there is a golden key to get out of this here, and this is the time that you're going to open up the door and finally setting yourself free here, going towards your new journey, going towards your new beginning, I would say here, Taurus. So definitely a very, very good energy coming up for you here. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Queen of Pentacles, I've got the Four of Cups, and I've also got the Sun card here. It's quite interesting because this Queen of Pentacles coming up here, which is your energy coming up very, very strongly here, Taurus. Sun, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. As you can see here, this lady is just like sitting there, like just chilling, because like she has gotten everything for herself. Like she have gotten the food, she have gotten like the money, like she's just chilling, she's just enjoying the life, I would say here. Again, the gender does not matter, male or female, but this is how you are projecting yourself at this point of time towards your person. Like I said, with this taking this leap of faith energy, like the moment that you're finally starting to realize your true self-worth here, Taurus, this is what being projected back to your person. This is like how your person are seeing you at this point of time. And this is why I've got the Four of Cups energy coming up here, a very strong regretful energy, I would say, coming up for you here, Taurus. Like you see here, this person is just like not doing anything, just overthinking, reminiscing in the past. It's like daydreaming, I would say here. They are definitely daydreaming about you. They're definitely daydreaming about how you have changed, like what kind of like they're basically starting to see you as like as the magnificent person you are, I would say here, as the amazing person you are here, Taurus. And this is like starting to make them realize, like, damn, what have I done? Like what, I shouldn't have just I shouldn't have just said something harsh with them. I shouldn't have just left that way. Like all those like regretful energy coming out very, very strongly from your person here. I will not be surprised if like your person will be like coming towards you and reaching out towards you here. As you can see here, this dragonfly, I do feel like some of you here have been getting or have been seeing a lot of dragonflies energy here as well, Taurus. But at this point of time, your person here, they are definitely daydreaming about you and regretful about all the decisions that they have made in the past, I would say here, Taurus. This is when like finally the sun has started to shine upon them. Like they're finally getting that aha moment. Like just imagine, like on this cartoon you will see that light bulb coming up above the head. This is how your person literally is at this point of time. Like they're finally starting to see you like, okay, wow, like just wow energy coming up here very, very strongly here. And as you can see here with this King of Swords energy, as this person is just rereading the letters here, I do feel like this is how your person has been at this point of time, I would say here. If some of you are still being friends with them, or still following each other on the social media, this is how they're actually looking at all your pictures. And if you do not share any social media platform here, this is how they've been rereading all your messages, I would say here, Taurus. Like they just keep on thinking about you, daydreaming about you, and they just like thinking about how can they come towards you here, I would say. And this is why I've got the Ace of Cups energy coming up here as well, like a new beginning going to happen between both of you. Like finally both of you are going to be like, they are definitely going to come towards you and like asking for another chance. But I think that when that happens here, Taurus, is like you have already made the decision to leave everything in the past, because it like this separation has been severely affecting you, I would say. I don't think that this is something that you would like to go through again, I would say here. But again, the choice will be yours. I do feel like because the thing here is that at this point of time, especially with this King of Swords energy and the Page of Cups energy coming up, I'm not sensing so much progress coming up from your person, to be honest here, Taurus. Like I do feel like emotionally there's still a little bit of immature energy than you, but this King of Swords energy is just like they are more into the logical type of person, like more into critical thinking type of person, instead of someone who's actually honoring their emotion. So this is what concerning me, that how mature they have been in the emotion. So I would definitely suggest you to wait and just see how things goes, instead of rushing back into the reconciliation. But your person is definitely going to make an attempt to come towards you here. Now the channel message that I've got from your person, insecurities. So seeing you as like as becoming like this, like seeing this transformation within yourself here, is just like making them feeling more insecure within themselves here. Like it's like they're starting to realize like, okay, actually the Taurus is much more better without me, like that kind of energy here. And then this is what like making them to miss you, making them to want to come back towards you here. But again, with this insecurities energy, this is what's still being the challenge between both of you. And I've also got religious and spiritual factors. Like I said, you are coming up as someone who is more awakened, someone who is more mature, and when it comes into the spirituality level here, they are still a little bit in a low vibrational energy. So this is what I mean, that watch out for that here, Taurus. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.